Good evening and welcome to this DETV News Brief. I'm Matt Ford. Thanks for joining us this evening. Here's what's making headlines tonight across the first state. A new report from the Centers for Disease Control shows that confirmed cases of whooping cough across the country have surged 5 times higher than this time last year. The increase is even more significant in Pennsylvania and right here in Delaware. Experts are noting that this increase is having especially on infants, saying about half of those diagnosed under 1 year of age end up hospitalized. The CDC's latest data indicates that the number of whooping cough cases in the United States has jumped from over 3,000 in 2023 to over 17,000 just this year.